In this video, I will share with you top 5 best instant cameras of 2024. So, let's start.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 5.
DIY Kids Instant Photo Camera with Thermal Printer, a perfect birthday gift for young photographers. This camera prints instantly with thermal paper and records 1080p video. It's a fun tool to encourage creativity in kids, especially for DIY projects. The advantages of this instant camera are: DIY-friendly instant prints, supports 1080p video recording, encourages creativity in children. The disadvantages of this instant camera are: thermal prints lack durability, no option for color photos.
At number 4.
Erchang Children's Instant Print Camera, designed for kids aged 4 to 12, this 1080p camera lets children take selfies, record videos, and instantly print their favorite moments. Ideal for birthdays, it comes in a compact, easy-to-use design. The advantages of this instant camera are: easy-to-use interface for kids, instant print feature for quick memories, 1080p video recording for clear footage. The disadvantages of this instant camera are: thermal prints fade over time, smaller screen size for photo preview.
At number 3.
Kids Instant Print Camera with 10x Zoom. This digital camera for kids boasts a 10x zoom feature, instant thermal printing, and video recording, making it a perfect birthday gift for boys and girls who enjoy photography and selfies. The advantages of this instant camera are: 10x digital zoom for clear images, instant photo printing for immediate fun, dual purpose, photography and video. The disadvantages of this instant camera are: print resolution may be low, limited memory without additional TF card.
At number 2.
Cartoon Instant Print Camera for Kids. This HD 1080p camera for kids features a built-in thermal printer and supports both photo and video modes. It comes with fun cartoon designs and is perfect as a Christmas gift for children who love taking photos. The advantages of this instant camera are: instant printing with thermal paper, cute cartoon design for children, HD 1080p video capability. The disadvantages of this instant camera are: prints only in black and white, limited zoom and editing features.
At number 1.
Kids Instant Printing Camera Q6, a fun gadget for kids. This digital camera supports HD video recording, dual lenses, and instant thermal printing. With a TF card slot, music, and games, it's an all-in-one creative tool for children's entertainment. The advantages of this instant camera are: instant thermal printing for quick photo sharing, HD video recording with dual cameras, includes music and games for added fun. The disadvantages of this instant camera are: limited print quality due to thermal paper, no color printing option.